Sibulise kwakhona kumphulaphuli omamele i-audition zethu zalapha Engcobo FM. Bekuphuma uSawula simnikiwe ngoku siya kuluyolo Sentile. Luyolo kunjani?
Kuhle buthi wamakhonto kunjani?
I'm good.
Good, masonwabeni but
I'm glad. Siyakwamkela mhle. Uzokwenza ntoni sport presentation, uzokwenza do you want to be a DJ?
Top 30.
You want to do a top 30?
Top 30 Saturday.
That's good.
Yeah.
I used to do a top 40. Again, I had the top 40 Metro. Many years ago.
It's
I had the top 40 Metro.
Some good shows.
I took over from, there was a DJ that I took over the show from Sentile.
I remember Sentile.
Yes. I took over from Sentile. So top 40, I understand the format here. There's a lot of pace to get pumped as well.
Ready as ever.
All right. Okay, let's do this.
All right.
Yes, Niggas permission to us to record.
My viewers are watching already.
Oh, okay.
My viewers are watching already.
Kakhulu. Already game shikazungaqala.
All right. Right there, ufikile ke Engcobo FM. Sithi ke ngu 66.6 Engcobo FM likhaya lam lelakho lelethu sonke. I welcome you on this lovely Saturday. Uyazi ndingene e-studio namhlanje ngicinga uba I wonder how people are coping, you know. When you get into an interview, you check ukuthi naba bantu bahleli badwelile and you like, wow, I wonder what am I going to do? So this lovely Saturday, I'm just going to give you a good music. I'm going to marinate your ears, baby, because sinomculo mnandi, you know, from house, hip hop, you get all of that. And I'm 60%, 100%, and 80% showing you ukuthi umzansi uphethe fresh music. You know, I was listening to just hip hop yangoku, like your Big Zulu, like your Questa, you know, there's a beef going on. So there's a lot that is happening in our country in terms of music is concerned. Now, this top 30 today is going to give you that thing. Uhleli Mshwele ke Engcobo FM. You know, you can get us on Facebook, Engcobo FM. You check us go Twitter, Engcobo FM _ zonke zazinto, you know, get us 073 955 4535. I'm about to take some calls, and you know me, baby, I'm just gonna take you to that level where you feel like music is life, and it is the language of communication. You know me, baby. Now, today, you know, just after the break, how was your first time doing an interview? Whether it was an interview or it was an audition or where you're going to need to present yourself and just tell people about yourself, tell people of how you feel and your experience too. Because sometimes it gets to the intimidation of how you do things and how are you going to do this. So, Engcobo FM namhlanje ifuna ukuba londo mhlambi uhleli nangoku uhleli ngaphandle, you're waiting for an interview, mhlambi you are waiting for people to call you to come to an interview or an audition. Just tell us your experience and how you feel right now, because you know there's what we call stage fright. I know people, they take it easy. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Cut me, baby. It's Saturday. You're gonna get that music. DJ, please give me the song.
Masibulele. Enkosi kakhulu. Thank you for coming.
Yes, man.
Good luck and all the best.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Enkosi kakhulu.